So now we're getting into doing the floors and vacuum. Before you do any floors, you want to make sure that all the carpets are done, because after we do the floors, we're gonna mop, and it's gonna be the last thing we do, right? So rooms, any big carpets in the living room, we did it with that vacuum, with carpet vacuum, and now we're gonna do the floors. So what I want to do is I'm gonna finish going out. I'm gonna, at the end, I'm gonna leave the vacuum outside. But I'm gonna start on this back wall around the carpet. Okay, so now we're gonna get into vacuuming. So on the steps for vacuuming, you wanna hit all the carpets first before you do the wood floor. So we already did this carpet with the other one, but now before I start the actual floor, I have to get under here because that one didn't reach. So let me do this real quick. Actually start the floors, I want to start from the farthest room, because I'll get this side done and say I get to the back room, I vacuum it, somebody can help start mopping. So you want to vacuum from the farthest room to the entrance, to the exit, right? So now I'm going to start doing the floors. So I'm going to start from the back room and work my way up to the exit. So in this case, in this area, I'm gonna start back here, I'm gonna get behind here, and I'm gonna outline the floor. Whatever area you're gonna be vacuuming, you wanna outline first, hit all the walls, and then do the center, all right? So I'm gonna start over here and try to get behind the couch, work this corner here, and then we'll start over there. Go to the wall and try to pull things out as you're vacuuming. Just be careful with cables that you're not pulling them, disconnecting them, or dropping anything. This section. So what I'm going to do first is outline the edges, right? So for starters, I want to do this carpet because I already did that backside. Like this. Get under the edges. And then this side. Now this section is done. From this wall to here. All this is done. Now I'm gonna focus working my way around, maybe this way. I can either go this way or that way. In this case, since the cable's connected here, I'm gonna go around here. Actually first, we need to vacuum this so I can put the chairs back in. I'm gonna do that first. Obviously, with the brush, you're not gonna be able to smoothly go back and forth. So what I'll do here is the same thing. Do like the raking or the sweeping, right? That kind of motion, so it's easy. It'll be pretty much just one stroke. So here, you get all the crumbs under. carpet's done, I'm gonna come back here and outline this edge, this floor, and do the center. And then I'll do the same thing starting that way, and then this way. Outline the edges again. We're gonna go straight head in, bottom part. Pretty much a demo. I just gotta finish up this side, but I gotta get these baskets out of the way. So yeah, just when you just want to make sure you outline the floor, the walls, and then do the center of that section or area, and then just always move your way from the back of the room towards the exit. And then the final thing will be just mopping, and we're starting again from the back to the exit, and then we're out. That's it. Easy. So outline the edges again, what I do, go this way.